Good day, everybody. This is Mr. John from Flickr Brains. Join me as I log into my Google AdSense account. Alright, you can look over here in the last payment. The last payment, you see that we received $18,000 this month on the 21st from Google AdSense. You can see today so far. Yesterday, you can see that we are loading nice. You can see this month we're almost there to our target of $25,000 on this account. You can see our clicks and CPC. You can see the CPC is very high. It's not a small CPC, and we maintain a good CTR. If you can look over here, you see our impression. Our impression is nice. You see that this method is working neatly and fine. Let me refresh this. Okay, to know that there's any changes so far. Alright, to know if the bot has clicked more so far. Okay, still the same. Okay, so you can see it for yourself. $18,000 paid. And if you check my previous video, don't worry, I will show you my channel. If you check my previous video, you see that I've been working on this account for a long time, even before the money was on balance and it got paid, and also showed when it got paid I received payments. So this method is not anyhow method. I've said it, I normally say it's a unique method. Let me show you guys. Let me go through my channel so you can see my previous videos. You can see that from day one I started posting about this account. If you check it down, you see I've posted about this account. So let me remove this. Okay, see I've been posting about this account for a long time. If you check it. So in this Flickr Brain channel, you'll be learning how to make money from blogging. Obviously, if you subscribe to us, you'll learn more. If you have any problem you're loading, or you're loading an AdSense account and you're not receiving your earnings are dropping, your account get banned, you receive ad limits always, we are here to help you. We are always here to help you and solve all those little problems. Those things are little issues that will come across when you're loading, and because you're not loading with the right method. Okay, back to our accounts. So if you want to be making this kind of results, all you just have to do is click on the description box. You contact me. We also do, allow partnership. In case you want partnership offers, we also accept partnership deals. Alright guys, as I always say, it's not all about working always. Calm down and learn new things, learn new method. This is an updated method.